Hi guys, welcome back once again to a new vlog. Today's vlog is all about unboxing this box of Sephora which is full of goodies. Before we head towards the unboxing, I would like to thank each one of you for being part of our YouTube channel, for subscribing, sharing our videos and for all your comments and love. Thank you once again. And don't forget to click the bell notification button so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. And most importantly, before I close my vlog, I always ask a question. So we will continue doing that. Anyone who answers that question right will get a surprise gift from me. So without any wait, let's jump in and find out what's inside this box. So this is the box and let's find out what's inside this box. So I found this box which is full of goodies. So I have some of the products I have been using it, which I have received from Sephora earlier, and it's mostly on the skincare brand like Sunday Riley and Clarins. These are some of my products that I've been using before, and I really love how those products have been made. So the first one that is this one, the Tidal, which is the brightening enzyme cream. This one is basically it's a brightening cream. I think this is also, when I met them, they also mentioned that it's very good for all skin type. Especially it's good for people who have spots, and it's a correcting cream, and it's also good for sensitive skin. So you see, like, it has some great ingredient, especially it has the hyaluronic acid, and it is infused with some very natural ingredients. It also says some clinically proven results here, which says that the skin hydration by, it has increased by 68% in 15 minutes. So, I mean, I have tried their product before and I really love how this product is. So, let's look inside. Generally, their packaging is very cute and they have done, very nice packaging. The good thing about this product is that their natural ingredients, the key ingredient inside these products are very high. So it shows results immediately. I have one of their product as well, which is their lactic acid all-in-one treatment. That's amazing. So this is how the box is. Like, it has a cute small spoon inside it. And then this is the jar. And the texture of this cream is also very light. So you wouldn't know. It has alpha-arbutin, which is very good for skin, especially if you're having spots and you have if you have a sensitive skin, even if you have very dry skin. So this is how the the texture of the cream looks like. It's very light. I have tried it once or twice. I have not started using it regularly, but it really smells amazing, and it's not very high fragrance. The best part is that it is allergic tested as well. So that is the oil-free gel cream for instant glowing and dewy skin. You could also apply this just before your makeup as a primer. So that's the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream from Sunday Riley. The second one is again from Sunday Riley. This one is called the Mattifying Melting Water Gel Toner. So basically, after cleanser, you could use this toner. This one is good for people who have problematic skin. So it actually helps in mattifying because of the ingredient inside, which is the bentonite clay, which helps in reducing the pore size, removing the excess oil, mattifying your complexion. Plus, it also have white cucumber and hazel extracts, which also helps in tightening, and it also have manuka extract along with tea tree oil. So these are some of the ingredients which is also mentioned here, and this one is basically it helps in reducing the pores. This one is in a big jar. I have tried it again once or twice. It doesn't really smell that great, but it is very good. When you apply it, you'll really see that it doesn't dry your skin, and you will find that it is very lighter in the texture. If you want, I can show you how the texture looks like. See, it's that color. The color of that is probably because of the cucumber extract, and it's very mild on the skin. So you could apply it directly on the skin and just tap it like that, or you could also, put it in a cotton pad and, apply like a general toner. That's how you're doing it. But it is very good toner. I have used it a couple of times and I really love the way how they've made. That's one thing I really like about Sunday Riley, because they put their heart and soul in why they make the product. This shows how the brand is. And see, it dries immediately as well. So it doesn't make your skin dry, it doesn't like restores, it doesn't disturb the pH factor of your skin. It's very mild, smooth, yet it's starts hiding all your visible pores. So that is the Martian, which is the mattifying water gel toner from Sunday Riley. The next one is again from Sunday Riley. This one is called the UFO, which is the Ultra Clarifying Face Oil. Basically, it is also again for problematic skin, for people who have like, breakouts, which has blemishes, imperfections, all of that. The main ingredient in this one is the salicylic acid. Along with that, it has tea tree and black cumin seeds oil, which helps in clarifying and, removing all the bacteria out of it and giving you the brighter appearance, and it will also give you an even toned complexion. This is also good for people who have like imperfection, or they have some pigmentation. This is basically an oil. I have the sleeping night oil from the Luna oil, which is with the blue chamomile. I really love that oil, especially I apply it in the night and go to sleep. And I thought when I was using that product, I thought it might give some reaction on my skin. It might have some breakout, because I have very, very sensitive skin and I break out to almost every product. But I really love how they designed this product, and they are chemical free, and how they have done this product. So this one is basically with 1.5% of salicylic acid. As we all know, I have done in my previous videos as well, that salicylic acid is very good for people who have breakout or blemishes or have acne prone skin. So this is basically the oil. I have not really started using it, but I just tried using it 1 or 2 times. So you see the color green is basically because of the tea tree oil inside it, and this is also very mild. So you could see the oil there. The texture of this oil is much lighter to compare to the sleeping oil that I've been using. Although I don't use it every day, I try using it 1 whole week and then give it a break for 2-3 days and then give it back again. But this oil I'm definitely going to try. I love the smell of this oil as well, because I love tea tree oil. So if there is any congestion in your skin, I think this oil will be good. But still, I will come back on the final result on this oil and give the right marks on how does it work on the problematic skin. So that is UFO from Sunday Riley. The next one is the Holly Henriksen. This is the brand that I have been using, their toner, their cleanser, as well as their which I received as a small travel pack. Again, I went to their event when they launched this brand, and that particular product has actually helped me getting out of my breakouts. It really helps though, because of its ingredients inside it, and I really love how they have made this balance range. They have some other range as well. I've been using their eye cream also, which is great, and it can be used as a primer. This one is basically called as the Pore Balance Facial Sauna Scrub. So this particular one is called, it's like a dual warm cool action. So it has both the action of warm and cool. The main ingredient in this one is the blend of glycolic and lactic acid, which helps in lifting the dead skin cells. And it also has a green fusion complex with neem seed oil, and you all know that how neem seed oil helps in removing the clogs, especially if you are having a congested skin. So I have seen the texture of this scrub before, which is, I think the package is still not open. So basically it's a little bit green in color. I'll try doing one, when I've tried it, I'll let you guys know how this product is. But let's try and see that if we could open this and find out. Yeah, so that's the scrub. So this is the texture of the scrub. Let's take it out. See, that's the color of the scrub, because it has the neem seed oil. It also has a volcanic sand inside it. It has AHAs, all amazing ingredient, which is good for dead skin. And I feel the granules of the scrub is also not very harsh. Oh, it's warming up also. Interesting. So I'm just exfoliating in my hand to see how it is, but it's really getting warm, maybe because of the volcanic sand inside it. It's getting warm. So nice. I mean it would be good when I'll try on my face and see that how it is. So that's the texture. So let's see, I'll try it out and let you guys know how it is. I've tried the rest of their products and I really love how they have made it. So cheers guys, I mean you guys are doing a wonderful job. Very few brands are, who come up with these kind of concept of having active ingredient inside it and makes it work for different skin type. That's what I like about these brands. So kudos. The other one is also from Ole Henrik Skin. This is also called as the cold plunge pore mask. Again, for people who have open pores, who have problematic skin, this one actually clarifies because of it has some very good ingredient, which is the clay and the snow lotus extract. Okay, so snow lotus extract is an ingredient that I have been, when I received this product, I started doing a bit of research to see how does it work. So this basically, this clay is, I think called as the Scandinavian clay as well. And it is very good for people who have, problematic skin, especially the open pores. So this is a size of this mask, which is very good. I think it will run like when I use it, you can use it once a week. By the way, the scrub and the mask that you can do is like once a week or twice a week. This also has AHA inside it. It also has some very good ingredients apart from the snow, the lotus snow extract. Yes. So basically, snow lotus extract is very good for calming down the skin, as well as it is also good for, removing the congestion out of the skin. So it will go well in along with the scrub. You will apply the scrub, exfoliate, and then, oh, I love the color. It's like the turquoise color. See? And it really mattifies. See, the good thing I felt about this brand is that it shows results, and even when I'm using their serum and their cleanser, it's very light, very mild. This is really cooling. That was warm and this is cooling. I mean, it will be a very good effect when we will apply it and we'll see on the face. I think it will show, it will give a nice result because I could feel that in my hand, that is in such a smaller part of it. So I don't know, I mean, I would definitely feel good when I'll apply it on my face. I generally don't just take any product and apply it. I read the ingredient first and see how their review is, all of that. Then only I go directly for it. So this is the mask. I'll try out and let you guys know how this product was. Maybe I'll do a separate vlog only on the scrub and the exfoliation, or just doing a small vlog on showing you that how it was with my skin. I also have some other products, like this one is the Sephora Oat Muesli Mask. Interesting. I know that oats, we have, I use one of the night cream because my skin is very sensitive, from Marzia Clinic, which has oats as an ingredient, and it really helps in calming down the skin. So I'm sure this will be good for people who have sensitive skin. I haven't tried it, but looks interesting. This is from Sephora. It is called as the 5 minutes mask with muesli and oats in it. Then I have which is the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind. It's a shampoo actually from, it's also one of their new brand that they have for hair care. This have kale and apple. It's not the shampoo, sorry, it's a superfood conditioner. Again, it is no sulfates, no silicones or parabens. This is also interesting. I'll try this and let you guys know. This one is the Glam Glow Hydrated Glow Moisturizer. I'm really not a very big fan of Glam Glow because I previously applied their mask and I really got breakout. That doesn't mean that if it doesn't suit me, it will not suit someone else. Maybe probably for a dry skin or for a different skin type, it might suit. I would definitely let this be tried by someone else and see how does it work. This one is a sleeping relaxing mask for Clarins. I have a bigger size of this as well, and that is very good for people who have even sensitive skin, and especially people who have like very dry skin, or if you feel like your skin is like getting stretched or you have sagging skin, this mask is definitely recommended. This is very good. I have tried it a couple of times and I really love it. Oh, this is my Good Genes. This one is a lotion. I thought this is the all-in-one lactic acid treatment. So this one is a lactic acid treatment. Yeah, it's the same lactic acid treatment. Like I was telling about, again from Sunday Riley. It's all-in-one. It helps in removing the scars. It is, it makes you give an even tone for people who have pigmentation. It takes some more time to remove it. but it was very good even for sensitive skin. I didn't had any problem with it, and I really love that when I combine this one along with the sleeping night oil, it's definitely very good cream. Then I have the Genific, the advanced Genific from Lancome. I think this one is an, yeah, this one is an serum, but I think this is a small size. I have the bigger size of it. I used to use this couple of years back along with my sister, and it really suited both of our skin because we have very sensitive skin. But somehow this time when I used it, I really got breakout. So what I'm doing now is that I'm trying to use it in my neck and decollete area. It's fine over there, but I can't use it every day because skin changes along with the age, along with the things that you have, stress, everything, the skin changes. So probably it's not suiting this time. This one is the Origins Active Charcoal Mask. I have tried the Origin toner before. I have tried a couple of their moisturizer before. I'm really not a big fan of this brand, but it's a good brand. It's not bad or something like that because every brand has their own way to make it, and you know there are a lot of efforts going behind it. So this one again I will try because I'm getting some congestion and breakouts these days. So I'll try and see how it is. The other one is the Pixie Rose and Elderflower Tonic. The most raved brand, actually everyone talks about it. When I open, it's all about Pixie. I have not tried their this range. I've tried something before. I've not found really a very big difference on my skin, maybe because some brands take some time to show and stuff like that, but it feels good on your skin. I would definitely try this toner and let you guys know how it is. This says it has naturally soothing and pH, rich in nutrients. It balances and the pH, minimize the redness and calm the skin down, obviously because of maybe rose and elderflower inside it, but we'll see how it is. The other one is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Cream. This is the one which I was talking about before. I'm using the eye cream and it really, removes the fatigue. You could use it under eye, basically before your concealer. You could use this as a primer for your eyes. Also, it brightens your eyes up. So even if you're not wearing any makeup, if you'll apply this eye cream, it does really brightens up. There are very, very few eye creams that really shows result instantly, and this is one of them, guys. You need to try that. Then I have this one from Guerlain, which says the Abbey Royal. I have also heard about this. Oh, look at this cute little bottle. It looks very nice. I really like how it looks. So it is called as the Youth Watery Oil. This one is also good for all skin type. I have also read about this product before. I'll try it and see. It helps in anti-aging. It also calms down the skin and removes the redness, and it's also good for all skin type. So we'll try and see how it is. This is the Wishful Enzyme Scrub, which was launched by Huda Beauty this year. It's her recent launch, and I have been heard a lot of reviews about this product. It has like papaya, pineapple enzyme, AHA and BHA as well. So let's see, I'll try this and let you guys know how does it work. So that's the complete products that I have shown you. I would do again a review on how does it work. Maybe I'll try doing some applying on my face or showing you, I don't know, but I'll see what I could do and show you guys like how these products were on my skin and give you the right review about it. Now it's the time to ask the question. So I had shown you an oil which is the UFA oil from the Sunday Riley. I wanted to ask you, what are those two ingredients apart from the salicylic acid inside that oil which helps in tightening the pores? So that is the question for the day. Comment below and let me know what is the answer for that. So this is the best part that I really love to read out, all your comments. I could see there are like a lot of comments coming on my vlog which I did on the opening of new branch. So thank you so much for all your love. I wanted to read out all your comments. Maybe one day I will make a vlog only on reading out the comments. I think that will not be enough as well. So I would just pick up one which really touched my heart, is from Miss Usha, who says, "Dearest Lavanya Vikram, congratulations and celebrations and jubilations on your new dream project, the opening of new branch of Blush and Curls in Dubai. I marvel at your courage, confidence, conviction and energy and verve in spearheading such a wonderful venture in this new world scenario. Your determination to make each client who walks into Blush and Curls to look so naturally beautiful is truly appreciated. Kudos to you, Lavanya, Vikram ma'am, and your great team. Thank you so much, Miss Usha. It really touched me for all the comments and all your words that you have told me. Really, really, you guys keep me motivating. You guys keep us going ahead, and this is all we require is love and caring that you guys giving us. For all of that, thank you once again. I will see you next time with a new vlog. Hope today's vlog was something different from what I generally do. So if you have any questions about any of those brands, or if you want to know where to buy or any other questions, please leave the comment below and I will definitely reply back to all of you. Till then, goodbye, take care, and God bless all of you. Lots of love.